caught one. I can't believe nothing's hitting it. It's crazy to me. Comes another one. Take it. Pretty. Oh, it's okay. I didn't want to mess with them anyway. Oh. Oh. Do it again. Can I get it or just get grass? Got grass. I see the frog, but I don't see the fish. Shoot! It totally seemed like I caught the fish. That was a bummer. No fish. Oh, that was a fake out. But it's behind my boat. It's not cool. Get over here. Stay down. Doesn't feel very big, but I can't see it. I don't even know what it is, you guys. Gosh! Don't break off. Don't break off. Wow, that was crazy. Oh, don't. Oh my God, I got it. Oh, shoot. Okay. That was a giant. Giant! I got a giant! It's a giant! Hey, giant! Oh, it's gonna hurt when I hold him. Oh, he swallowed it good. Come here. This one's gonna be weighed. Oh boy. Oh boy, guys, check him out. I got a giant. Look at him. Look at him. Okay. Noise out here in the grass. I think that's a wrap for this evening. Got 3 fish. Pretty happy about it, especially with the 4-pounder. Felt good to catch a big fish again. Time to go home. So this is a new pit for me. I've never fished here before. So far I caught a 15-incher and a almost 20-incher. I think he was 4 pounds. So I'm pretty happy about that. Getting to know it's just a small little pit. I'm getting to know it a little bit, and I wasn't catching any off the shore. They're pretty much right in the middle of the lake. So I'm gonna drag a worm back to the boat dock because I'm fixing to head on out of here. So I said we were going home, but my gosh, you guys, it is such a beautiful, beautiful night. I'm gonna go up to the lake and then back and see if I can catch one more. If not, I'm so happy with what I caught. It's just so beautiful right now. I just want to stay on the lake a little bit longer.